Ram Padraig Kelly, what a great life. Ram Padraig Kelly, born in County Armagh on the 6th of March 1980, educated at St Patrick's Primary School and St Patrick's Grammar School in Armagh City, and graduated from the Queen's University Belfast with a degree in accountancy. The undoubted highlight of my working life has been working in the Northern Bank's anti-money laundering unit in Belfast, which coincided with the biggest bank robbery in the history of the UK and Ireland in 2004. World travel has included Niagara Falls in Canada, New York City and Connecticut in the United States of America, the UK and Ireland, Saint-Jean-de-Monts in France, Moscow in Russia, Dubrovnik in Croatia, Medjugorje in Bosnia-Herzegovina, and Rome in Italy. The life of Ram Padraig Kelly.